Hello students, we will solve one polynomial problem now. The problem is, if alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then evaluate 1. Alpha square plus beta square, 2. Alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, 3. Alpha cube plus beta cube, 4. 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. So given that alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, so we have to find the values of alpha square plus beta square, alpha by beta plus beta by alpha, alpha cube plus beta cube, 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. We will find one by one. So the given polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Alpha and beta are the zeros of p of x. So alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha beta equal to c by a. This is the basic relationship. So we will find the value of alpha plus beta the whole square. This is equal to alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. So we rewrite this as alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. So substituting the values for alpha plus beta and alpha beta, we have, for alpha plus beta we substitute minus b by a. So it becomes minus b by a the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square. For alpha beta we put the value of c by a. So it becomes 2 into c by a. So alpha plus beta the whole square is equal to minus b by a the whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2c by a. Or alpha square plus beta square plus 2c by a is equal to b square by a square. This we are bringing this side and this we are bringing this side. Minus b by a the whole square is equal to b square by a square. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to b square by a square minus 2c by a. Taking a square as LCM, we are getting b square minus 2ac divided by a square. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to b square minus 2ca by a square. So we have found out the value of alpha square plus beta square. We call this as equation number 1. So this equation we will use to find the values of remaining problems. The second value we have to find is alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So taking alpha beta as LCM, this is equal to alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. So substituting the values for alpha plus beta square and alpha beta, we have, for alpha plus beta square we put this value, that is equal to b square minus 2ac divided by a square divided by, for alpha beta we put as c by a. So this is equal to b squared minus 2ac divided by a square into this c by a will become a by c. So this a and a square will get cancelled and we are getting one a at the denominator. So this becomes b squared minus 2ca divided by ac. So the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha equal to b squared minus 2ac divided by ac. So we have found out the value of alpha by beta plus beta by alpha by substituting the values for alpha square plus beta square divided by alpha beta. The value we got as b squared minus 2ac by ac. Next we have to find the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. We know from the algebraic identity, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to alpha plus beta into alpha square minus alpha beta plus beta square, which is equal to alpha plus beta into, we are simply rewriting this as alpha square plus beta square minus alpha beta. We know the value of alpha plus beta, we have found out the values of alpha square plus beta square, and we know the value of alpha beta. So substituting for alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square, which you have already got from equation number 1, and for alpha beta we have alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to, for alpha plus beta we substitute minus b by a into alpha square plus beta square we put the value as minus b square minus 2ac by a square minus alpha beta we put as c by a. So this is equal to minus b by a into, here a square will become LCM. So we are getting b square minus 2ac minus ac. So this will become, this a and a square will become a cube. So we are getting alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to minus b into b squared. This b squared minus 2ac minus ac will become b squared minus 3ac divided by this a square and a will become a cube. So this is equal to minus b into b squared minus 3ac divided by a cube. So we have got the value of alpha plus beta cube as minus b into b squared minus 3ac divided by a cube. So last we have to find the value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube. Here the LCM is alpha cube beta cube. So we are having this as alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha cube plus alpha cube into beta cube. The value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube is equal to alpha cube plus beta cube divided by alpha cube into beta cube. So substituting the values of alpha cube plus beta cube, which you already got by solving the problem 3, and also for alpha beta we have 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube is equal to, for alpha cube plus beta cube we are putting as minus b into b squared minus 3ac divided by a cube divided by, for alpha beta we substitute c by a, so alpha cube beta cube equal to c by a the whole cube. So 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube is equal to minus b into b squared minus 3ac by a cube whole divided by c by a the whole cube. Which is equal to minus b into b squared minus 3ac divided by a cube into c by a the whole cube will become a cube by c cube. This a cube and this a cube will get cancelled. So we are having the value as minus b into b squared minus 3ac whole divided by c cube. So we have got the value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube as minus b into b squared minus 3ac by c cube. So we have found out the value of 1 by alpha cube plus 1 by beta cube.